This afternoon, I'm in Fremont, California, and I'm checking out a spot called Renegade by Devout Coffee. Renegade by Devout Coffee is a spot that serves obviously coffee, but in this video today, they're having a Fremont restaurant week. But what caught my eye was a friend of mine mentioned to me, they have a smash burger, a double smash burger with bone marrow. I'm most interested in trying, for sure, the bone marrow. I just love bone marrow. It's motivated me to make this video, along with the smash burger. I'm sure the smash burger is gonna be absolutely amazing. And we're gonna go ahead and check out Renegade by Devout Coffee right now. Let's go.
How's it going, man?
How you doing?
Doing good.
But mainly it's from the city of Fremont.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right.
Nice. Hey, Tony, appreciate that.
No worries.
Main chef here, Renegade Devout. I didn't know you guys serve food. I mean, so they mentioned it to me, so it's not just coffee.
So we do food, we do coffee. You know, just not your regular old coffee shop house where we make just pastries and stuff. We make pretty good food like burgers, pizzas.
Yeah, nice.
Anything, you know?
Yeah, I might have you in the thumbnail actually.
Yeah.
You look pretty good. You want to hold on to that? Sweet, looks good. Just picked up the food from Renegade by Devout. First thing I want to go ahead, because I was kind of walking around with this, I also picked up the Americano, and then yeah, that smash burger. Take a look at that. Yeah, that is a beautiful sight right there, for sure. We're gonna give all that, plus that bone marrow. I'm not gonna pick that up until we're ready to take that bite. First, we're gonna take a sip of that coffee. Really just don't want it to spill because I've had spillage ready, so here we go, sip. Yeah, Americanos are certainly my go-to. I think this has like a double shot or something like that, and an 8 ounce. Okay, let's get to that smash burger. Position my coffee somewhere where it doesn't spill. All right, so yeah, immediately first thing we're gonna go and try is their smash burger. And you seen them make it there on the truck. Just those patties just smashed to ultimate goodness. Put some seasoning, add the cheese, that patty, that sesame bun. You have yourself a smash burger. I think there's some grilled onions on here as well. Oh man, that is just a beautiful thing. If it weren't for that bone marrow, man, this would be the video today, because that just looks amazing. Okay, let's give it a bite. First bite, here we go. Bite. Just remove that wrapper. We don't need that. Oh yeah. Oh, that patty. That smash burger. The cheese. The grilled onions. That dressing inside of here. Yeah. Like a nice aioli dressing. Again, what sticks out about this burger is just that nice seasoned patty smashed to perfection. And it just collapses, it just falls apart. But then you have so much flavor from the cheese, the juiciness from the meat, the sesame bun. That burger, that smash burger is, oh yeah, I mean that is super soft too. That could just fall apart. I'm not gonna peel it apart because I want to take bite after bite. Let's take the next bite. Bite. this ultimate cheese satisfaction. That double patty. Beyond words. So good. Well, I just have to say, that is a really, really delicious burger from Renegade by Devout. Before we continue with the burger, let's get ready to try that bone marrow. Yeah, I don't have a spoon, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into that. This has that roasted bone marrow, topped with chives and pickled peppers. Yeah, that is a beautiful thing. So, this might be a one-biter, because I just want to get the entirety of this. I don't know, maybe we'll get half. I do want to, it's not very big, but I do want to just like try that bone marrow. Hopefully I won't be tempted to eat the whole thing. And I don't have a spoon, so let me just scoop it with my fingers. Bite. Go. And that's it. There's nothing left in that bone marrow. Oh, just like the creaminess, the fattiness, the juiciness, salty, savory, bone marrow perfection. My only wish was I wish there was more of this, like a buffet's worth of bone marrow. That, I mean, I just like ate it through its crevices. There's nothing left in there, just bone. I've tried to get as much as I can because that was so good. Nothing left. The pickled peppers with the chives was a great addition, but ultimately it didn't last very long. That's okay. We're gonna continue finishing up that smash burger. Just gonna go ahead and wrap up that video right there. That is Renegade by Devout Coffee in Fremont, California. Check them out if you're ever in the area. Again, it's restaurant week, so the bone marrow is not gonna be here much longer. Hopefully this video will get out in time, but the smash burger is here to stay. So that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, I greatly appreciate that. And as always, enjoy that bite life. Later.